Happy holidays, everyone! It's Melissa here, and I challenge you to pick out which items here are used and which items I bought new, because I've been shopping all around town, including the thrift stores and the Asian supermarket, to buy my holiday gifts for this year. So very quickly, we are shopping for a holiday gift exchange with our family for Hanukkah tonight. These items need to get wrapped first, and I shared with you in my last video the tiny pineapple plant with the pineapple on it. That was one of our gifts I got at Home Depot. The other items we ordered Amazon and picked up at Costco. These little lip glosses are going to accompany the pineapple plant for our teenage girl cousin. One of my favorite items ever. This is beeswrap. It's a natural beeswax wrapping in place of plastic wrap. We got a very handy and practical headlamp for our boy cousin who's in college that my husband is giving. And for my aunt, I'm giving my favorite socks that are now available at Costco. They are cotton socks, super woolly and fabulous for winter, and I can't get enough of them. And they're like in the $9 range, so it's about $20 of socks here. So that's $100 right there that we budgeted for our 4 family members to do 4 gifts for the family holiday gift exchange. That's probably the highest price point that I'm spending on gifts this season. So I want to take you down here to the things I picked up at Target. I never go to Target. I pretty much hate going to Target, but I did opportunistically walk in looking for a few things, and I wanted to share with you what those things were, since I picked up a couple items for the kids and a few items to use for wrapping. Target has a ton of Frozen and Frozen 2 paraphernalia. One of the special gifts that my oldest daughter is getting is a trip to see the Frozen musical. For my little daughter, when she is not attending that, I have a Frozen bath bomb that my little 3-year-old is going to receive. To spare my mother, I'm actually sending my daughter to the Frozen musical with her souvenir. So I'm gonna have this wrapped. My mother has generously paid for tickets to the theater, and I'm gonna have this as a surprise for my mother to give her during intermission or at the beginning, so that she has a souvenir that I got at Target for like $12. And this is a little like veiled tiara thing. Things are really expensive if you go to an event, and I just wanted to spare everybody that calamity and expense. The other tiny items that I got at Target were these beautiful dish towels. I actually went looking for Hanukkah dish towels. They were sold out of them. These are not the dollar ones, but these are about $3. They're really nice cotton blend in the blue and white colors, and these are going to be used to wrap my items for the gift exchange. So we are giving frugal but like thoughtful gifts that don't involve trash wrapping. The hostess and her daughter are going to have a set of 2 of these dish towels. My aunt will get the other one, and then we're not going to have like trash wrapping paper in the bin, because I just hate that. This was a 30-cent folder. I just opportunistically picked it up out of clearance because I know my schoolgirl is going to need folders. 30 cents, really chic. And then for $3 in the dollar spot, I picked up these really cute cookie cutters. These would be beautiful for gifting to tie on with a bow to each of your gifts with a dish towel, but I've decided I'm going to keep them for us because we could use them. We have 8 days of Hanukkah. We're gonna use these for $3. Okay, this is all the retail stuff. A little window into the other place where I buy holiday gifts, and that is the Scholastic Book Fair at our school. That raises money for our school. I always get shamed into buying stuff. I have a selection of books here. I just will let you have a look at them. These are the books that my daughters will receive. This is my little daughter's stack. These are autographed by the authors who visited school. I always buy Hanukkah books at our Scholastic Book Fair because we go to a Jewish school. So we have a special Hanukkah book, and this was requested by my older daughter, so she is receiving that, all purchased at our book fair, raising money for school. Did my good deed, moving on. The other things that I'm picking up at the thrift store are things like an old vintage brownie handbook. We are in Girl Scouts now. We're a Daisy level, so this is aspirational. But this was a $1 book I picked up for my big girl. She's gonna get it for one night of Hanukkah, along with a copy of Mouse Scouts. I did order these on Amazon, and I'm gonna squirrel these away for birthday and the next holiday. So we're gonna do this for one night of Hanukkah. I'm saving these for her birthday next month. Let's talk about the Asian supermarket. The Asian supermarket is amazing at holiday time. They have like every cookie and every beautiful tin and candy, and it's a wonderland of like international snacks. So for my children, I picked up these beautiful little Hello Panda cookies. They were $1 each. I don't think that my kids need expensive things for the holiday. And because we receive gifts from other relatives, I just fill in the gaps a little bit to have a gift on hand if I feel like it would be nice to have that night. There's no mandatory gifting in our household, but I got each of the girls some wooden chopsticks, also for me and Daddy, and 2 of these cookie sets. So, you know, all told, this is about $4 per gift and useful and consumable. So I felt okay about it. That's the Asian supermarket. Here in LA, we have such high quality thrift stores that really you could never buy on Amazon and never go to Target and you would still be living like a king. And that's what I did when I recently went to the thrift store. Some of the items are here. I spent $69.06. I picked up toys that were unopened or in perfect condition for $3, $3, $3, and $4. I bought brand new puzzles, a hi-ho Cheerio that had more than the parts it was supposed to come with, this great bead set where the beads pop together, and it's 3 and over is the age on this. This is a totally wrapped toy for an older child. I'm saving this for a future birthday gift. I like to pick these things up and store them. I mentioned in my previous video that we do a lot of indoor gardening. So for $3 each, I picked up these vintage bulb forcers and a really cute Japanese figurine that my little girl wanted. It's like a 1950s pig. This is a winter activity. So some of the things that I get from my children that I call Hanukkah gifts are really experiences or activities that are gonna help me as a mom fill those 2 weeks of winter break. So, you know, it's really a gift to me, let's be honest. Also a gift to me, I got 2 of these. They were $4 each, covered in daisies. I just took one to our Daisy Scout meeting. I thought they were so cute. We're gonna get some use out of them and I'll give them to another Daisy Scout leader when I'm done. So I'm buying dishware at the thrift store, a Disney brand Frozen dress. This was $5.99. For $1 at the Dollar Tree months ago, I bought these nail decals. These I'm gonna do for my daughter for her to go to the Frozen performance. So again, this was $6, $7 for this, and then my daughter's going to a special event. So I'm just trying to combine gifts with gifts I know she's gonna receive, like an outing, to make it a little extra special. These are things for me. I got a Banana Republic scarf that's super beautiful and a huge Hanukkah tablecloth. The tablecloth was $6, the scarf was $8. I am just opportunistically buying, you guys. So some of the holiday stuff comes out just at the holiday at the thrift store, and sometimes you find it in summer and I pick it up and I put it in a closet until it's time. I pick up wrapping paper year round, but I did just get these rolls, 2 for $1, and then $1 and $1 for beautiful wrapping paper. This one I thought was gorgeous for any time of year. It's apples and it's a reversible paper that was kind of expensive. This silver paper I may use for Hanukkah. Ribbons and bows. This is actually a sewing lace and seam, I don't know, zippers. It's like all of the different notions. Beautiful ribbons, beautiful lace. So I buy these things to let my children use for craft projects, for me to use for sewing projects, but also to wrap gifts in. This bag I picked up for $3.99. I would love to hear your suggestions down below if any of this strikes a chord with you or is a habit that you have in your house, or if you have any other tips for shopping before, during, or after the holidays in order to save money for your family. As always, thank you so much for being here. I love sharing with you. I'm really excited about these items. I can't wait to get them all wrapped up and go to our Hanukkah party tonight. Take care. Bye-bye.